Good afternoon, YouTube friends. Thanks for stopping by and visiting at my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. My name is Jim. I'd just like to wish everyone a Happy New Year. As the year closes this year, I just hope everyone had a great year, and I know I did. I look forward to next year and what comes about. As you know, I just started a YouTube channel just recently, and some of you are my subscribers. This message is mostly for my subscribers, and of course those who will be subscribing in the near future. I would just like to say thank you. It's because of you I'm encouraged. I'm encouraged to continue doing videos, and my hope and my plan is that my videos will be of high quality and will be of interest. And I hope that not only would I have some information that would teach you, but that through the videos I'll learn things myself, so that my off-grid living experience will be fulfilling, and also your off-living experience will be fulfilling. And if you're planning on having an off-living time, I just hope these videos will help you. As we come to the end of this year, I know I've had a really good year, and I'm looking forward to what next year brings. I just went out recently and bought myself a new computer so that I could edit my videos. I find it's a little harder to edit them on the phone, and because of that, none of my videos are edited. So if you see me talking and it doesn't make sense, it's because it's not edited. In the future they will be edited, and hopefully they'll be of a better quality. My plan in the next little while, if you've been watching my videos, you'll see that I just had an addition brought to my off-grid home. It's 14 by 30, and with that addition I will be making a kitchen and a living room. Sorry, a kitchen and a bedroom. And I've set this addition down beside my existing place because I'm going to join them together with a 10 by 15 breezeway that's going to join the two of them together, which will be where I'll be storing probably my 1100 liter water tote and my batteries for my solar system, and maybe a washing machine. So basically I plan on making my off-grid living experience more comfortable, and that's why I chose to make it a little bit bigger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep you informed with my plumbing, my electrical, my insulating, drywalling. I'll be doing tongue and groove ceiling, and I've already had it spray foamed underneath. So underneath is going to be nice and warm, so I will not get any cold coming up through the floor. Basically, my goal for next year will be to get this mostly done throughout the year. And my hope is that in between times, I'll be doing some fishing, going down some ATV trails, taking some pictures and looking for some wildlife. If you look at my videos, you'll see that I've already got a few wildlife pictures on there, videos on there. And so my hope is that if you're not a subscriber, that you will consider subscribing to my channel. Because of you, it just makes it more rewarding for me. I'm trying to build up subscribers. So in the corner you see that subscribe button. If you would hit that thing, I'd really appreciate it. And by you doing that, you'll get access to my videos, and I will hopefully bring you good quality videos. My hope right now is for the new year for you guys to have a very successful and a very prosperous new year. And again, I'm not only talking to my subscribers, but I'm talking to everyone. Don't think I have too much more to say than that. I think I did a video on, I went through the bush with my snowshoes, and I did a video. I was looking for animal tracks. I've got 27 acres off grid, and basically my driveway cuts that 27 acres in half. I've discovered the east side of my property. I've made a few trails through the bush. I will be elaborating on those trails next summer. But I haven't been to the west side of my property, so I'm not really sure what's out there. I'm assuming there's a lot of swamp, there's a lot of bog. There is a bunch of trees off to the distance. I'm not really sure if they're on my property or not, so I will be discovering those. So yes, I will be cutting down some trees and making some more videos. That's basically what I have to say. Keep subscribing to the videos that interest you, and I just hope my video will be one of those videos. And to you and your family, Happy New Year. And if you have any comments or suggestions on my video and I can use them to help you, then that's great. Send me a message. And yeah, just have a great day, and thanks for watching my video. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.